Oh, hi. Good day. This is Tito Mickey. This is my 18th day of taking this product, Regine Stem Cell. This is stem cell. Okay. November 18, 2024. Sinusubukan ko tong product na to eh. Drops lang naman ito eh. Yan. Actually, this is my second bottle. Ubus na yung unang bottle ko kasi drops lang to twice a day sa ilalim ng dila. No, according sa mga gumagamit na nito, and paulit-ulit ko, some celebrities are endorsing this product na okay daw to sa mga health issues. I hope so. At habang sinusubukan ko pa, mag-subscribe po kayo sa akin channel para makasunod po kayo sa mga videos na ina-upload ko about this product, Regine Stem. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. This is Tito Mickey. God bless you and keep you. Bye-bye.